Hi guys, how are you? So I did a couple of videos already, so keep you posted for more. I have my 2 Ipsy bags, so I'm gonna be opening those as well. So we are gonna start with one. This is the Ipsy. I did accidentally request something by them, and I was very pissed off because a lady answered something on the lines, we cannot return your money, blah blah blah, and I was like, what? Like, it was an accident, like, please return it or I have to cancel my card because I cannot afford $40 of that product, which it wasn't even my color. It's like I let the baby play with the phone, obviously, and then she clicked on it and it ordered, and I emailed them right away. And even though I emailed them right away, I actually they just, I don't know, it was just like complicated. But let's open in this box, and I hopefully it's not that $40 product. So let's see. Hopefully it's a bag. Hopefully it's a bag. Yay, it's a bag. So we have a couple of things outside. So I'm kind of like excited to see this. This one, we have the fan brush model, and it looks like a unicorn color. It's like mermaid color, sorry. And it looks really nice. Let's see. And if you're interested in me trying out these products, I will do that in next couple of days. And let's see, how do we even take that one? Oh, it's really soft. It smells synthetic, so whew. I don't like when they kill animals to do brushes, because definitely we can do synthetic, guys. I don't know who is another animal lover out there, but I am. As you can see, I have a lot of little doggies around all the time. We have the Goodnight PM mask and the Goodnight PM mask. So 2 masks. That's awesome. I mean, I love masks, and I'm gonna have to start doing more because I have a ton, and yet I have not done it. And this is the bag for this month. It's not bad. It's just like feels like really empty because obviously 2 out of the 5 things are out. So let's see. I mean, it's not bad. The bag doesn't look that bad, and it has the Ipsy logo on the inside instead of like all the other months that it's on the little riblet there, I think. So let's see what this is. Oh, okay. So I see. This little things is like 2 little crayons. Is to actually color the bag. So that's some fun and different idea. So we have a pink and a blue, and so those are for coloring. We also have this is the Create Ipsy March 2018. And it tells you a little bit more. This month, turn yourself and your world into a world of art. Blah, blah, blah. But you guys can read it there. Pause the video and you can read more. And then let's see what else we got. We have this little cute little sample. It says Sex Kitten. And it actually has a little kitten there. Can you guys see that? It's kind of like hard to even show you guys, but it's like a cat. And let's see. So, whoa. Has like a very fine little thing. It's not too much. That's how much you actually can open it to, and but it's really cute and fine. So it looks like a nice little sample. Then the next thing we have is the Glossier. It's probably for the lips. The Mintbomb.com Universal Skin Slave. And it's hard. I really like it. It's full ingredient list and Glossier. I put it on my lips, but I think it's like for any part of the body. So it's this size. And then the last thing in this box, which is not bad up to now, I'm really enjoying it, is this Int Cosmetics. And the shade of this, I don't know, I think it's like eyeshadow. Yeah, it is an eyeshadow. By the way, that thing tastes like mint, and I usually don't like mint, but that mint is like mint and chocolate kind of mint. And let's see if I can open this. And then that is great colors. And I'm gonna be doing sampling on all these products in the $10 box. It's basically Ipsy. I get my 2 Ipsys and I apply all the makeup on. So maybe this time around we're gonna do a mask before or after, who knows. You know, depends on how I feel that day. I really want to try all the things that I have, and I want to show you guys so you guys feel more comfortable. So I paid $10 for this bag. I think it's pretty awesome, like pretty awesome. So what do you guys think? And please leave me know in the comments, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye, have a good night.